Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Soundcore Motion Boom wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now if you can't get it fixed and you decide to buy a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a great speaker at a great price. Anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is for whatever reason you just want to get this speaker back to the way it was when it came out of the box with all of the pairing history deleted off of it so that you can start fresh. It's really easy to do. All you need to do is turn the speaker on, and then you're just going to come and find the Bluetooth button here and the volume up button, and you're just going to press and hold them simultaneously for about 5 to 10 seconds. Basically just hold it until you get a voice prompt that says that the speaker is powering off, has powered off, at which point you can release it. It's now been reset. You can go ahead and turn the speaker back on and set it up like it's a brand new speaker coming out of the box.